dive into the legendary life of Jesse Livermore, one of the most celebrated and enigmatic figures in stock market history. This presentation distills the enduring wisdom from Edwin Lefebvre's classic, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, offering invaluable lessons for modern traders and investors alike. At just 14 years old, Jesse Livermore started his career as a question board boy in a Boston brokerage firm. His role involved writing stock prices on a blackboard, a task that quickly ignited an uncanny memory for price movements. This early fascination led him to spot patterns in stock price fluctuations, developing a profound understanding that there is nothing new in Wall Street. Market cycles and human behavior repeat through time. Livermore's paramount insight was that there is only one right side to trade, which is not simply bull or bear. It's the side that aligns with the prevailing trend. Success hinges on precise timing, buying incrementally on a rising scale and selling on a falling scale. He firmly advocated trading with the market trend, never against it, to maximize profit potential and minimize risk. Market manipulation and big players were significant influences in Livermore's trading strategy. He navigated Keynes pools, syndicate influence, and the imperial steel bull, crafting a strategy that capitalized on these manipulations. Understanding the dynamics of these big players allowed him to anticipate market movements and position himself advantageously. Livermore's core method involved buying in increments only as the price of a stock rose, strictly avoiding purchases on a downscale. For instance, he would buy 2,000 shares at a time, adding more when the stock confirmed sustained strength and continued its upward trajectory. He meticulously tested the market by placing small orders and carefully gauging the quality of their execution to confirm the validity of a larger trade. This meticulous approach minimized risk and maximized potential returns by confirming market direction. Speculation is not purely mathematics, it demands a deep understanding of stock behavior and market psychology. Charts and technical analysis are valuable tools but are insufficient without extensive experience and refined judgment. Livermore's multiple bankruptcies were harsh teachers, instilling in him the vital principle of limiting losses and never trading without conviction. These experiences underscored the importance of emotional control and strict risk management in the volatile world of trading. His journey highlights that setbacks are often the greatest opportunities for profound learning. Livermore adamantly rejected tips and rumors, choosing to trust only his own rigorous analysis and independent judgment. He believed that self-belief is paramount to navigating the market's unpredictable ups and downs. His remarkable story is a powerful testament to perseverance, the profound value of learning from mistakes, and the relentless process of evolving into a master trader. Market history tends to repeat itself, with patterns and human behaviors enduring through time. Recognize and respect these cycles. Always align your trades with the prevailing market trend, trust your instincts, and manage your risk exposures. Livermore's journey remains a beacon. Success demands unwavering discipline, immense courage, and a commitment to constant learning. These timeless principles, forged in the crucible of Livermore's experiences, continue to guide successful traders in any era.